Marcus here from MedPack, and if you love tech and if you love discounts, this is the place for you. But today is another episode about the GoPro Max and what is the best selfie stick on the market to use with your GoPro Max or with any action camera that you have and that you own. And if you are searching for a selfie sticks to use with a 360 camera, this is my option, and I will tell you why I purchased the Manfrotto Compact Xtreme. So the first thing is branding. I don't care about brands, but I care about quality. This tripod I have for basically 8 to 9 years and I never had a problem. So since then, Manfrotto has been my first choice because I know they are very durable. They are not cheap, but you know that you are going to have a device for a long period of time. Obviously, these enclosures to extend the legs, they've been working really well for the last 8 years on this one. So that's why I'm really happy that the design continued to be exactly the same, and I know that it's going to be durable. This small selfie stick have 1 kilo, so that is really important. So some selfie sticks, they are quite heavy on your hand, and you don't want that because you are going to film for a long period of time. And this one is quite compact. The minimum size is 44.5 and the maximum extension of it that I can show to you on this video is 1.33 meters. It's really good to do like those type of footage, simulating a drone and stuff like that. It's possible to do already with this selfie stick. Another thing that I like is not all the selfie sticks, they are with this type of shape. So this one is not completely round, and I tell you why it's so important, for me at least, because many times I'm filming the front and many times I'm filming the back of myself. So I don't want to think where is the camera pointing, and in this case, if I can align the camera with the selfie stick, I already know where the camera is pointing, and it's so much easier to film and it's so much more comfortable on your hand. Another thing that I really like is the possibility on the bottom you can remove these protections here and this rubberized feeling that I really like, and it gives you the possibility obviously to put here a tripod or for example an extra light, and in that way when you have your GoPro on the top you have a light to go with you. Or for example, if you are into do a comparison in quality between the GoPro and the new one that is coming, or if you want to use two cameras in the same time, you are able to do with this selfie stick. So something that I really like about this one. Another thing that is really important for me is how easy it is to open and attach the cameras. This I do constantly because I use my GoPro Max quite often in hero mode, and I have to say that majority of the footage that I do in hero mode because of the sound quality that you have with this camera, that for me it continues to be the best sound quality that you have on the market. Sorry guys, just a quick question for the city center. I'm going in the right way? This is also really important. Maybe not for you if you just want to use your GoPro Max in 360. In that case, you need your camera to be completely aligned with your selfie stick, with your monopod. If you want to see what I was able to do with the GoPro Max in hero mode, I recommend you to see the link in the description below or the card above me. If you are interested on my thumbnails and if you would like to learn a little bit more how I produce them, I'm building up a course online that part of it will be for free. In the meantime, you can always drop me an email saying that you are interested in, and when the course will be released, part of it will be for free and I will contact you and you'll be able to download that part of the course. I hope that you enjoyed this video about the selfie stick and about the GoPro Max, because I think that this camera is quite dope for what you are able to do with it.